The mob lynching last week of 27-year-old female Farkhunda in the Afghan capital has fueled public anger. Thousands of people took to the streets to protest against the killing. Outside the Supreme Court in the rain, they demanded justice, shouting, "Down with ignorance."
No Muslim and no human being commits such crime, except extremist elements. The extrajudicial killing of a man, irrespective of his or her fault by anyone, is condemnable.
It is blatant violence against humanity. It is massive violence against women. After the tragedy, we, the women, don't feel secure outside our home.
Demonstrators stress it is the extremists who are behind the brutal killing, and they're not real Muslims. Protester Gulab Shah told Xinhua that the killing is an insult to Islam. Farkhunda was beaten to death outside a mosque in central Kabul in broad daylight. The mobs then set her body on fire and dumped it in the river as police looked on. All because of a false accusation of her burning a Quran, the Muslim holy book. The lynching has witnessed wide condemnation at home and abroad. A spokesperson for the EU foreign policy chief said Farkhunda's death was a reminder of the dangers that women in Afghanistan face if false accusations get their way. Even the Afghan Taliban condemned the killers in a statement, accusing them for using the Quran as a pretext to kill innocent people.